Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing Adopt Me because I am going to I hurt my eye. Because I'm going to do an Adopt Me inventory tour. And also guys, look, we have merch, like I'm wearing the merch. So go to Ike's group. It's called my behind the screen life. And also guys, go buy it if you want to, but like, look, it's so cute. I love it. Like, look at that shirt. Like, I'm like obsessed. I don't know how does Ike do this, but it's like so cute. Okay, so now, and also I heard some people are already getting ready for Halloween. So I already did too. Like, look at that. Wait, let me just yeah, whatever. Okay. So I am going to do an inventory tour. So I'm going to go to the clubs, like club base. This is not a base, whatever. Okay. So here it is. Okay, now I'm going to show you in my inventory. So first thing is gifts. I have no gifts. So like, I have no gifts. There's like no gifts, bye-bye gifts, like that. Okay, now toys. So, guys, wait, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here are my inventories. I have this. Mostly everyone have this. I have this. My friend gave it to me. And also, guys, comment down below where are you at. Like, I'm at here. So like, I'm one of my dream propellers are the Angel propeller, and I'm very excited to get it. And later I'll get the Blue Rider. So comment down below where are you at. I am at the trumpet. Okay, so my airplane, my magic door, which Ike gave me, my money rattle. This is like a rare rattle, like, and also my plunger, this top hat frisbee, 2 of these propellers, a dog leash, a frost bag grappler, a kangaroo pogo. This is like one of my rare pogos. Okay. Some chew toys, chicken, chew toys, sleigh, bell, rattle, frisbee, a thing. And also guys, please don't get scammed because people use this to fake as a kangaroo. So yeah, before people said that, just look like this so they will know what is it. So yeah, be careful with that. Once I almost get scammed. Okay, yeah, and all of this, and this is my favorite one, which Kayla gave me today. This is my favorite, like, just look at it. It's a sunflower one. Like, it's a common one, but I don't care. It's sunflower. Okay. So now the vehicles. So here's my vehicles. This is someone gave me for something. Oh no, someone gave me this for my 2 ginger cats. I was gonna do like a neon, but I guess I'm getting this. And also the same as the donut unicycle and a high hoverboard. Like, yeah. I have so many ultra rare stars. Okay, a star egg from the Easter egg. I am saving it because like I don't think no one has a star egg. Also these lollipops because like these are from Halloween and I really like to save it. And that's it. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, my stroller. So these are my stroller. I have 4 of these triple strollers, a crate stroller, a double stroller, these normal stroller, and the default stroller, which is the stroller when you're like new. And this is not tradable. And this is my favorite stroller. Like, so someone gave me this stroller for a rainbow stroller, and I accept it because these are probably never coming back, probably, or I don't know. And also oh my god, and also it has flowers. So duh. Okay, now the pet rares. I have 2 of these. Ooh, a scarf, an egg, this magnifying glass. I have a lot of these heart pins. Okay, let me count it. Oh my gosh! I forgot I was calling with, oh my. Hi, I'm doing a huge. Oh my gosh. What? Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I forgot I was calling with Kayla. Oh my god. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these pens. Okay, and these are like my favorites. Yeah, also this. It matches my shoe. Okay, now the pets. So for the pets, I have this. I have the thing, thick, the robin, the neon robin, writable robin. If you guys don't watch it yet, that I made a neon. Okay, this is my chicken KFC. Also, I can give it to me. I'm trying to make like mega, but I don't have enough. I used to have enough, but I traded away. A chicken, I named it YOLO, a snow cat, a duck, a dingo, a bunny, orange, remember orange, okay, and 4 of these emus. I'm trying to make a mega, but like, I would only have 2 neons, okay, and 4 frogs, because like, I want to make a neon frog, and also these 2 are like one of my favorites. So this is Boba, my writable llama. And this is Heart, my writable platypus. So yeah, I'm trying to see what will people offer me for it. So yeah, oh, it's thirsty. So let's just see what will people offer for my platypus, because I don't know what to do for the end to the end of the video, because I'm done showing my inventory. Oh my gosh, no one will do it. By the way, I'm eating something. I'm eating noodles. Oh my god. Oh, she has a plastic. A little bee. Hello, girl. Where are you going? I want to trade you. She's like running away from me. Okay. I'm Carly. Okay. What was Weeable stroller? No, thank you. How about this girl? I like her name. Emu. I'll give you an emu for an emu. Okay, Okay, I have nothing to do left. A frog. Ooh, a frog. And it's pretty. Okay, I should stop. So, let me just take it out. Okay. So, I hope. Oh, she needs a pet. Let me give you a pet. Let me give you, let me give you this. Oh, no. No. That, and that. Okay, I'll be right back. So, I wanted to say it's free, but, like, she declined. Okay. Well, she's not getting it. Okay, so, yeah. Wait, let me go to the thing shop. Wait, let me eat too. Okay. Okay. Let's see, a bow tie. Okay. Okay, yeah. That is it. So, wait, let me find a better place to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, stay awesome, stay sweet, and be safe from Corona. And yeah, bye guys!